Did you know that many people choose where they would like to work or conduct business based on the look, cleanliness, and upkeep of the facility? Here at Spik and Span Cleaning and Facility Services, we understand how important it is for the presentation of your facility to be excellent. This is why we take great pride in providing our clients with the professional, thorough, quality finish that they are looking for. Spik and Span will assure that you will no longer have to even think about the actual cleaning of your facility, and everyone will have peace of mind knowing that their workspaces have been thoroughly cleaned and disinfected. We believe in building and maintaining relationships with our clients by always remaining consistent and dependable. We would love the opportunity to earn your business and service your facility with the excellence, professionalism, and integrity that only Spik and Span can provide. We look forward to you becoming part of the Spik and Span family. Visit us at www.spikandspancleaning.com, or better yet, call us right now at 574-314-8995. We've got you covered. Looking good and smelling good. It's the Spik and Span way.